Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vanguard Sung Jin Woo. We'll cover his core strengths and how to leverage them effectively in combat. Sung Jin Woo excels at dealing high burst damage, making him a formidable offensive unit. Proper positioning is key to ensuring he can strike critical targets and unleash his full potential. We'll dive into optimizing his stats for maximum impact. Sung Jin Woo possesses a powerful set of skills designed for aggressive play. His first skill provides excellent crowd control and initial damage, while his second skill focuses on devastating single targets. The ultimate ability, when timed correctly, can wipe out multiple foes. Learning the optimal sequence for these abilities is crucial for dominating the battlefield and securing victories. Equipping Sung Jin Woo correctly is vital for his performance. Focus on gear that significantly increases his critical hit rate and critical damage. Aim for a critical rate of at least 75% to ensure consistent high damage. Additionally, look for equipment sets that provide substantial attack power bonuses. These stat priorities will transform him into an unstoppable force on the battlefield. Building the right team around Sung Jin Woo amplifies his effectiveness. Pair him with support units that offer attack buffs or critical rate enhancements to maximize his damage. Characters who can apply defense debuffs to enemies will also significantly boost his output. Consider including a reliable healer to sustain him through intense engagements. A well-rounded team ensures his dominance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.